honey.
Ow. Oh. Can you help me?
Help you with what?
I'm trying to go away in the box.
You trying to go away in the box?
Yeah, so that the kid won't find me.
You want me to shut you in the box?
Yes.
Where's Mommy, Felix?
You're gonna let me back out there, right?
Where's Mommy? Is Mommy in there? Felix, bang on the box! Bang on the box!
Hi! Felix? Oh God. Somehow you didn't seem that surprised. Ow!
Push her back in. She's not done.
Get in there.
Get back in your box.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I don't think there's room for both of
Aww. He wants to be in the box.
us. Okay, the whole point was to show